What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Volvo XC70 remote key fob. This key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2430 and it's going to take 2 of them. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. And the other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this latch on the back of the fob that my finger's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. I can just set that key to the side. Now I'm going to grab my screwdriver and I'm going to stick it in that slot that emergency key just slid out of, but I'm going to put just the tip of the screwdriver in there. Then I'm going to pry up like that, and as I do that you can see it's starting to pop this back cover up. Once you get it started, you can come over here like this and get under the edge of the cover. Pull that cover off, and that's where our batteries are going to be located, as we can see right here. I'm going to use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of the battery and help pop it out of that holder. And there's this little white plastic piece in between the two batteries. Just kind of hold it to the side with your finger like that. Get this battery out, and now we're ready to install our new replacement batteries. The first battery is going to go in with the plus side up, positive side up, like that. And then we're going to put that plastic piece over it like this. And then the second battery is going to go with the plus side down, positive side down. Snap it down into that holder. And then we can put the back cover back on like this. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.